Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I want to do a couple of, life updates real quick, and then we'll move on to what this video is actually going to be about, and that is January 2018's Boxycharm. Okay, so first off, let me start by saying Happy New Year. I am sorry that I've not been uploading at least 2 videos a week. Pretty much since the holidays. I came down with the flu. Everyone in the household has had it. People at work have had it. And then I also had a major accident last week. So if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, then you have seen the pictures of my car, which was totaled. I'm still dealing with the insurance and all that good stuff. The driver that hit me was going the wrong way down the street. He was heading southbound in the northbound lane, and so yeah, it was a pretty bad accident. He had no insurance, so it's just been a complete total nightmare for me. I was injured pretty badly in the accident. Still not feeling completely 100% physically as far as this flu goes. It will seem like it's going away and getting better, and then it'll just come back. I'm just feeling really bad most days. So anyway, I did want to get up today and try to, do some makeup and do a couple of videos and, reach out to you guys and let you know that I'm okay. I'm just going through a lot right now. 2018 kind of threw a lot at me from the get-go. So yeah, it's just one of those things. On the bright side of 2018, how about those Bama boys? As you all know, if you follow me and you've seen some of my videos, you know that I'm a die-hard Bama fan. I'm not a hater of any other teams. I think, hey, if you root for your team, then root for your team. Go 100, go all in. I'm all for that. There's quite a mixture of people in my family as far as college football goes, but we all love each other at the end of the day, and a game is just that. It's a game. And these people have to remember, these are young men out there, basically boys who are trying to make their way in the world, who are on that field fighting their hearts out, playing their hearts out. And, you just got to give props to the special ones that really do a great job. And so I want to give a shout out to Tua. Without him, we could not have won the championship this year. And to Jalen Hurts, because he got us there. He has lost 2 games out of 25, and I think that is phenomenal for a quarterback to do. So, going into 2018 season, I don't know who's going to be our quarterback. Either one is great by me. They really should do like a rotation of the 2, I think, and just kind of mix it up a bit. Put them both on the field at the same time. It's happened before, and I just think that that would be a great way to expand Alabama's domination on the field. So anyway, I'm very glad that we won the championship, needless to say, and I'm so proud of my team and the coaches and everyone who pulled together that helped them get there. So thank you all for that. Also, if you've seen the media and you've seen the news, then you know we're losing coaches left and right. Our offensive coordinator's gone, our defensive coordinator's gone, and so we're having to reload on coaches as well. And that's okay too. I mean, it is what it is, When you have great coaches like we do and a great team like we do, then yeah, there are definitely other teams are going to come after those coaches. So it's part of the process. It's part of how things are. Anyway, I wish all the players who are leaving, either whether it be for the draft or transfers or whatever, I wish them all the best of luck in the world, and I hope that they do well wherever they go. So now, with all of that out of the way, let's move on to this video. Or to what this video is about. I got this month's Boxycharm. Now, if you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it is a monthly subscription, and it's $21 a month. They do have different subscriptions that you can get. I believe you can get it month by month. You can get it in 3 months, 6 months, and a year. So I'm wearing one of the products, or 2 actually, of the products in here today. So let's just open this bad boy up and get started. When you open it up, of course, you have your card inside, and this month's Boxycharm is Rock 2018, and there's another little card in here that's the same as this one, but on the back of this card you have the ingredients for the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. So let's just start off with that product. This is it right here. It comes in a tube. I love Dr. Brandt's products, and Boxycharm does tend to put quite a few of them, or at least one of them, in a box every month from what I've seen so far. I've only been subscribed for maybe about 3 to 5 months, somewhere around there. And in every single box I've gotten, there's been some type of Dr. Brandt product, which is fine by me because I really love this. Their whole line is really great. This is a luminizing primer. I am wearing this under my foundation today. I do like it. It did blur the pores quite nicely. I don't know how good it's going to wear because I just applied my makeup about an hour or two before this video. So far so good. Oh, and by the way, we're having quite a bit of weather here today. There are snow flurries, ice, and all that good stuff happening outside. It's quite cold here. I think it's in the 20s right now. And, well, let's just see. I want to see exactly how cold it is. I'm not even sure how much it's dropped since I got up this morning. It is 28 degrees here right now. So, yeah, that's pretty cold for this area. We don't normally get that cold. It's supposed to get down to 22 tonight. And they said it could possibly hit the teens. I'm like, oh my goodness. Anyway, yeah, so that is the weather situation. So that's why I'm snuggled up with a sweater today, because it is quite cold outside. Alright, so on to what the video is about. The Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer has an MSRP of $38. And the next product coming up is the IT Cosmetics Eyebrow Pencil. It's a universal brow pencil. It has an MSRP of $24. This is the box right here, and I'm wearing that today as well. I was kind of concerned because it says universal, and a lot of times those colors are way too dark for me. But I found that this one is almost the perfect shade for me. I absolutely love it. I loved how it glided on, how it blended in, and how it sets the brows. You do get the spoolie at one end, and then you get the actual brow pencil at the other end. So I'm absolutely loving this. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it out for you guys on my hand just to show you the color and let you guys see how gorgeous this color is. For brows, I think this is the perfect taupe. It says it's a universal taupe, so I like it. I think it blended out nicely into my brows. It helped set everything. It's a little waxy, but I like that. It's not chalky or patchy. It went on very nicely. And you can get your sharp edges. If you guys can see, I have a sharp edge on my brows on the end, and you can actually feather up the brows quite nicely with this pencil as well. So that is a major A+ for me, and it has an MSRP of $24. Next up is going to be a palette, an eyeshadow palette, and they've been putting quite a few palettes in their boxes lately, which I'm loving. This is the Glam Metals palette, and if you guys have seen my last couple videos, you know I'm all into the metal shadows right now, right? This is by Crown Pro. Take the packaging off there. It has a really adorable mirror, guitar shaped mirror in it, which I probably never used, but I thought it was cute. And then here are the shadows. You get 9 shadows, and there are shimmers. There looks to be 1 foil, and then what I would consider a matte is 1 color, which I would consider matte, is the black metal. It's the black color over here. And then this lower one down here looks like it could possibly be a matte shade as well, with maybe just a slight shimmer to it, not much at all though. I'm not going to swatch these because I'm thinking about doing a giveaway with a couple of my Boxycharm items, so I won't swatch it, and I have not used it, so this will possibly be in a future giveaway. And that retails for $25. So the next item up is the Pure, I don't know how you want to pronounce that, it's P-U-R, and it's the Complexion Authority Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. Here's the palette right there. I like the packaging. It's plastic, but you know that nothing's going to stick to it. You know, it's going to be easily cleanable. You can't really see any prints on it or anything like that, so that's good. It does have a nice mirror inside. Excuse me. And then there are 3 shades. You get your blusher, your highlight, and what looks to be a bronzer in there. Each item in here is like a shimmer. They do have shimmer colors to them, or they all have like a shimmery effect, okay? None of them are matte. I hope the camera is picking that up. Even the bronzer is a little bit of a shimmer to it. So I'm not really into shimmer blushes or bronzers. Now that highlighter might be something that I would possibly like or try out, but again, I have not swatched this, I have not used it, and I probably won't. I have enough highlighters in my collection that I really don't need anymore. So this too will probably go in a future giveaway. Okay, and let's see, that MSRP's for retail value $34. And then last but most certainly not least is the Girl Lactic lip paint. This is a matte lip paint, and this has is in the color, I guess it's on, oh, Posh, there it is, it's on there, Posh. It's in the color Posh. I'm going to go ahead and take this out. Now, I did wear this earlier today. I tried it on and wore it for about an hour, and it lasted pretty well through my coffee and stuff this morning. So I think it's a really great product, and I plan on wearing this many times. So I will go ahead and swatch this for you guys to show you the color. It is absolutely beautiful. It is not patchy. It glides on effortlessly, and it dries down to a nice non-smearing matte finish. So this is smudge proof, and I love it. It was a little dark for what I'm wearing today, so I did not wear it in the video. The color that I have on today is actually an Urban Decay Vice liquid lipstick in the color Naked. So that's what I have on today. But I can so see myself wearing this in the future. It's a beautiful color, and it matches my skin tone quite nicely, complements it. It is a little dark for my taste, but I think wearing this and then maybe popping something a little lighter in the center and giving that ombre look would be a fabulous way to wear this liquid lipstick. It is made in the USA, and yeah, so I love their packaging, the brown and the pinks, really cute. So there you have it. That is this month's Boxycharm. We have a total value of $144. I will put their website below. I don't get anything for you guys going through the website and ordering. It is not an affiliate link. This video is not sponsored. I purchase this every month with my own money, and I was considering canceling. If January's box had not been like rocking, I probably would have canceled, but I'm going to continue to keep it for a little while longer and just see how it goes. January's box was really a great box. Even though I'm giving 2 of the products away in a giveaway, I still do like the box. So there you have it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and as always, be good to yourself and each other, ladies. I love you all to pieces.